This is the Swiffer WetJet Mop that we use to clean the hardwood floors and ceramic tiles in our house. The mop is very lightweight and easy to maneuver. To assemble the mop, connect the handle first. Once connected properly, you should hear a click as the handle falls into place. Next, attach the cleaning pad with the strip facing down. The other side of the pad has Velcro to allow it to attach easily. Then insert 4 AA batteries and insert into the chamber. This will then allow you to control the cleaning solution spray using the button located on the handle. The cleaning solution can then be loaded upside down inside the pocket. To remove the bottle of cleaning solution, press the gray button. When you're ready to start mopping, dispense the cleaning solution by pressing the button on the handle. The cleaning solution will spray from both the left and right ends of the cleaning pad area. With this mop, you can direct the head in any direction as it swivels, allowing you to get into corners and tight places. When you're done cleaning, remove the soiled cleaning pad.